Welcome everyone to Vested Interest. This is Shane back again for another stock pick of the day. It'll be the last one of the week. It is Thursday, October 10th. Lot of green in the market today. At least there was in my portfolio by the end of the day anyway. It started out a little rough, but did close out pretty well. So when I was looking through, I did find a few that were down. One in particular that I am interested in is Target. So we will take a look at it. I'm sure you are aware of the company. Target is a retailer. So you go in and get your groceries, clothes, that sort of thing. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. And some quick fun facts from their homepage. If you want to know more about them, check them out at corporate.target.com. That is where I pulled this information. Apologize, that should be the 13th. That is today. Fast facts. Target is a general merchandise retailer with stores in all 50 states and the District of Columbia. 75% of the U.S. population lives within 10 miles of a Target store. We employ 400,000 plus team members. Our tagline is expect more, pay less. We've been using it since 1994. Target CEO since 2014 is Brian Cornell. I really don't want to read through the rest of that. They're headquartered in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Some other big ones to note: 106 billion in revenue in 2021, 1,938 stores, 51 supply chain facilities, and 28 office locations globally. I actually did not know they had a global presence, but that is nice to know. Again, if you want to know more about them, corporate.target.com is their homepage. And as I stated, they were down, not a lot today, but down nonetheless, 0.13 cents, 13 cents, 0.08%, closed the day at $154.03. We are talking about Target Corporation, ticker TGT, and they are out of the consumer discretionary sector. Looks like they were up a little bit in the after hours. Again, not much, right around $154.12, so about 9 cents there. 52-week range as low as $137.16, as high as $268.98. Definitely closer to that 52-week low, but would like to see them drop closer to that. I'd love them back in the $137 range. Average volume of 3.7 million. Looks like they were at 3 million today. Market cap of 70.894 billion. A beta of 1.02, so they are as volatile as, just slightly above actually, volatile as the overall market. You can see that volatility throughout the day here. PE ratio of 17.44. Again, if we got them down closer to this 137, that would be lower. I'd love them in the 16 to high 15 range. Earnings per share is nice, $8.83 per share. Next earnings date is November 15th through the 21st, somewhere in there. Forward dividend is $4.32 paid out on the year. Divide by 4, they do pay out quarterly. And that is a nice 2.8% dividend yield. Their next ex-dividend date is November 15th, so if you bought them now, you would get their next dividend paid out probably shortly after this in December or January. I'd have to look at that. But 1 year target estimate, at least according to Yahoo Finance, where I pulled this information, not affiliated, just where I like to go for some information, is $191.38 per share. So definitely speaks to some potential upside appreciation in the stock price. All right, now let's jump over to stockanalysis.com, another site I like to go to for some information. I like to check out multiple sites for information just to make sure that I'm getting a full picture and not relying on one source of data. That's just me. You may have other sources that you like to look at. Yahoo is one, Stock Analysis. I like other sources as well, but these two are my primary go-tos. Still talking about Target Corporation. The 38 stock analysts that have taken a look at this, they call it a consensus buy here. They do have a low target of $162.61, which it currently sits lower than that. So if it was to climb back up to what they consider the low, that would be a 5.58% price appreciation in the stock price there. The average price target is $195.20. That would be a 26.74% stock price appreciation. And if it happened to get back up to its all-time high, $256.20, that would be a 66.34 price appreciation. All the while, you would be collecting that 2.8% dividend independent. Like I said, if you got them closer to that 137 low, that would be a little higher, maybe up into the 3% dividend range. That's where I'd like them. Now, this is where I typically would show you my position. I do not have a position in Target. It is one I am watching. And like I said, I'm much more interested if it was to drop further down into the 140s, 130s. I'd love it back into the 130s there. So I will probably wait on this one. And this is no real update here. Same as we saw yesterday. Still waiting on the weather here. Maybe I'll take some pictures. They did actually come and pick up some of this equipment. The cat's out of there. Their little rider here that they were using to dump the stone around the pool. This equipment is out of here. Actually, I do believe they had the stone cap up. I'll have to go back and look at that. I believe they finished that the other day before they left. But still waiting on the weather to change. It was raining a little bit this morning, so they didn't pour concrete this week. I don't know if they're coming back tomorrow. To talk to my wife whenever she gets back from picking up the kids and see where they're at. But still waiting on some work on the pool. All right, well, with that said, as always, appreciate you stopping by. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to show me some love. Hit that thumbs up, ring the notification bell. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Join me on this journey to financial freedom. This will be the last stock pick of the day video for this week. I will be putting together a video coming out Sunday for my purchases for the week, what stocks I picked up. So go ahead and tune in for that. Hit that notification bell so you're notified when that comes out and whenever any future videos come out as well. Let me know what you think of Target. Drop a comment down below. Is it in your portfolio? Is it one you're watching? Is it one you're avoiding? Let me know. I do personally read and respond to the comments. I'm always interested to read your questions, opinions, suggestions for future topics, or constructive criticism. And this is Shane signing off, wishing peace and prosperity to you and yours. And remember, financial security comes to those who take a vested interest. Hey, thanks for stopping by. I hope you had a great day and a great week as we wrap up another one. We'll see you soon. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing in this presentation should be considered financial advice. I'm only sharing my opinion. Investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes. Investing involves risk. You can't lose money. You should never invest any amount. You're not comfortable losing. Always doing your own research. Invest based on your situation and circumstances. Select criteria or seek the advice counsel of a certified financial advisor.